Want to live in a luxurious mansion but worried about your carbon footprint? You're not alone. Many people think that luxury and sustainability just don't mix. In recent years, however, we've seen a growing trend that's changing the game: eco-friendly mansions that offer the same level of luxury and comfort, but with a green twist. Traditional mansions have long been synonymous with excess and waste, consuming massive amounts of energy and resources. But with growing concerns about climate change, affluent buyers are starting to think differently about their homes, and the luxury real estate market is taking notice. Eco-friendly mansions, on the other hand, are designed to minimize their impact on the environment. Take, for example, a mansion with solar panels that generate more energy than it consumes, or one with a green roof that insulates the home and provides a habitat for local wildlife. These homes are not just sustainable, but also incredibly beautiful, with designs that blend seamlessly into their natural surroundings. Another example is a mansion that uses advanced materials and techniques to reduce its energy consumption by up to 90%. With features like high-performance insulation, triple-glazed windows, and cleverly designed ventilation systems, these homes are a marvel of modern technology. And with interior designs that focus on natural materials, minimal waste, and maximum comfort, you'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference between an eco-friendly mansion and a traditional one. From rainwater harvesting to geothermal energy, the possibilities are endless, and architects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take, for instance, a mansion that's literally built into the side of a hill, using the natural insulation of the earth to regulate its temperature, or one that uses advanced weather forecasting to optimize its energy consumption, using natural light and heat to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. This trend has significant implications for the real estate market, as luxury homeowners are setting new standards for sustainability. It's no longer enough to simply have a big, flashy home. Today's affluent buyers want to know that their home is not only beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. And as the demand for eco-friendly mansions grows, so too will the innovation and creativity of architects and builders. As one architect put it, sustainability isn't just about saving the planet, it's about creating a better, healthier, and more comfortable living space. When you design a home that works in harmony with its environment, you get a home that's not only eco-friendly, but also incredibly beautiful. In the end, eco-friendly mansions are more than just a trend, they're a symbol of a new way of thinking about luxury and sustainability. They prove that you don't have to choose between living in a mansion and living sustainably, you can have both. So what do you think about eco-friendly luxury? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on sustainable living tips.